Welcome to my allotment in East Sussex for the first week in May, and another change in the weather from the previous week. Only saw a return to winter, icy rain and strong winds. I took a small journey to the Copse to purchase 200 litres of Levington's compost on offer at a local garden centre for £10. I had a look on the beach to take any shots of crashing waves, but on our coastline they were a bit subdued. Compost purchased, return journey including the allotment, mainly to water the plants and prick out some salad crops. Tuesday was another change. The wind had dropped and we were blessed with glorious sunshine. A good time to top up the potato buckets and bags as the first and second earlies were showing through.
Well, here we are on our way to Ship Street. Everyone's coming.
I still had some main crop Picasso seed potatoes which required to be planted, just enough for 3 bags. I purchased these bags some 9 years ago, and apart from one bag, they're still in good nick after being used at least every year. I now have 15 bags of seed potatoes, giving 60 seed potatoes on the go, which if I had planted would require 2 12-foot raised beds. And all these 15 pots and bags, they just use up 3/4 of a 12-foot bed. Wednesday was literally a washout. It rained all day and it was cold. Did not even step outside the house. Thursday, different again. Another beautiful day with warm sunshine. The plan was to plant my peas. I have 2 types of peas selected for this season: Hurst Green Shaft and Alderman, a heritage variety. The Hurst Green Shaft grows to about 2'6", while Alderman is approximately 6 foot. So the Hurst Green Shaft need to be in first, adjacent the west edge of the bed. The other way round, they would be in the shade of Alderman. Therefore, I know I stated in an earlier upload I would repair this raised bed and the rabbit fence in June. Necessity dictates now.
Looking out to sea now. Oh, there's a couple of reggae boys in the house. Mr. Leroy Halls. He's tooting out some grooves with his right hand man there. Look, there's George Duck Burrows on the bass. Watch out for those hairy tricks. There's another guy there from way out west. There's granting your wish on the drums. Guess this is what you call a jam. Well, folks, please do be kind to Paul while he goes round with a hat. We do's be hoping to see you again sometime. Ship Street.
The band playing the backing track is called Harry's Tricks, a popular jazz band in the Brighton area. They write their own music, well, mainly Charlie Potts does, who gave me permission to include this track on my video. And if you like it, and want to own it, you can by punching in harrysticks.com and pressing the appropriate tab on this website. Friday, May the 4th be with you. Another brilliant day, very warm. The plan today is onions. First, spring onions, bunching, or scallions to our American cousins. I slipped in an in situ row of beetroot. This instance variety was Pablo.
Oh, who's that? That's pure McTid.
I was dog watching today, so we walked to the allotment, left the car at home, and he looked after me pretty well. Good dog. On the last third of the bed, which has got the pots and the bags of potatoes on, I sowed some more onions, and some from seed in January, and the variety Ailsa Craig. I was having problems at home with the computer, so I was watering everything thoroughly because I won't be on site tomorrow. I'll be in London at my son's sorting out some problems with the computer. So everything was well and truly watered.
Making a little bit of Mediterranean romance with his muffler on the end there, look. That's a bit last minute. He's got a whole bag of mufflers.
Well, here we are, end of the first week of May. It's been a short week, but it's been very productive. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did like it, a thumbs up would be nice. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and if you've not already done so, please subscribe. And till next week, the second week in May, I say bye and see you then.
Bye.